Number 6. Kaizen transfers know-how. When a manager puts up with a problem, and resign themselves to it. This sets a bad example for employees. Because when a manager puts up with problems, they encourage everyone else to do the same. That sentiment, when it remains unchecked, leads to a bad reputation among customers. Good practitioners of Kaizen ask, why, several times. The effect of a single improvement may be small. But when each employee makes such an improvement, the cumulative effect is tremendous. If you don't ask, why, a number of times, you may think the problem is only because people are busy, hurried or inexperienced. These are superficial reasons to the problems, which leads to superficial solutions. Good solutions will be seen as common sense. You can try to improve any activity, or do it more efficiently. But you may be wasting your time. Focusing on the purpose of an activity permits you to see different, or better ways of doing it. It's important to question the purpose of each task often. Once you understand the purpose, you can improve the job. Or eliminate it. That's often the most effective and least expensive improvement. Eliminating a task or procedure is the best Kaizen. But not always possible. Another principle of Kaizen is to change the way we do a job or make it easier. That may mean changing the sequence, or replacing a part, or modifying the form, or changing the quality standards. Sometimes the simple changes result in profound improvements. For example, in a plant, workers hoisted heavy pipes onto a platform scale to weigh them. It took 2 workers and a lot of energy. The solution? Lower the scale into a well in the floor. Now, one single worker could do the task alone. Sometimes the simple changes result in profound improvements. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, Kaizen as a system.